Hello, ladies. I just wanted to say hello and welcome again to Tonya's 31 party. This is going to be, like I said in an earlier post, it's going to be all online. So it's going to be really easy to attend. And it will be starting at 8 p.m. Sorry, I'm trying to be quiet because it's nap time right now. If you don't know me personally, I work at a daycare full time. So I am a very busy lady. And I want to make sure that I'm quiet so I don't wake the kids up. So we are going to be partying at 8 p.m. tonight. So basically how it's going to go is we're going to have I'm going to have scheduled posts that will be going up for about an hour or so, and they're going to be interactive as well. So make sure you guys are participating and being active because I do have some prizes that I'll be giving away. One of them is our door entry prize. So if we had 20 RSVPs, which we did, I know Tonya is getting a special gift for me for that. And I am also going to be doing an RSVP drawing. So for like the first 10 that RSVP'd, they're going to be going in a drawing. We're going to have a game prize too, because I'll do a couple games throughout the evening. And then we're going to have a grand prize, which I'm doing something a little different this time. I usually keep track of the points, but since I have a lot going on with a lot of other parties and everything, I figured I would try to see what you guys thought about keeping track of your participation points for tonight's party. And I mean, I'm like I said in the earlier post, I'm going to do it based on the honor system. I trust you guys, and we'll do a check-in tomorrow morning as to how many points you guys have so far. Try to be as accurate as possible. And then that way it'll determine our grand prize because we're going to have, like I said, a grand prize winner. And I want to make sure that, everybody is making sure that they're keeping track of their points and all of that good stuff. So it's a little different from what I've done in the past because, like I said, I've got a lot of parties going on right now, working full time and having a new baby coming. I know my husband and I were expecting our third child. So it's been pretty chaotic and we're very excited about that. So yes, I just wanted to hop on here, welcome you guys again. And again, normally I'm not this quiet. I'm normally really loud. I talk very loud. I talk with my hands a lot. But I'm trying to be very quiet so I don't wake my kids. So like I said, tonight at 8 o'clock, hop on this page and follow the prompts and everything. It'll be a really fun, easygoing party. It'll be really easy to attend. And if you guys would like to start placing orders now to support Tonya, you can. She has a $500 party goal, which I think is totally doable with how many people we have coming. And obviously, everybody that orders, you get more points for the grand prize drawing. And so the bigger your order, the more points you get. And the other thing too, we have a customer special. So our customer special is, let's see, so this is our customer special. So earn 50% off of one item when you spend $50. So every 50 that you spend, you get any item in the book for 50% off. So let's say you spend $100. Let's say you spend $100. You'll get 2 items of your choice at half off. And it can be anything from a stand tall bin to an All About the Benjamins wallet. So this is a really cool thing that 31 is trying this season by doing opening the customer special to everything. So this is really cool that they're doing this, and I'm very excited. And it doesn't restrict you to just 1 or 2 customer specials. You can have it open to anything. So if you guys have any questions about that, feel free to let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys if you have questions about certain products, or hey, I'm not sure on what to order, or hey, can you give me some more clarification on how this party will work? Reach out to me and I'll be more than happy to help you guys. So I'll see you in a little bit. I'm going to finish uploading the rest of the posts and then we'll go from there. Bye guys. See you in a little bit.